Welcome to our video on real estate management. In this video, we will explore the importance of real estate management, its key components, and the benefits. Welcome to our video on real estate management. Whether you're a homeowner, a property investor, or a landlord, this video will provide you with valuable insights on managing your real estate effectively and efficiently. Let's get started. First and foremost, it's important to understand the importance of property maintenance. Regular upkeep, repairs, and renovations are crucial for maintaining the value of your real estate investments. By addressing maintenance issues promptly, you can prevent small problems from escalating into costly repairs. It's a good idea to create a maintenance schedule and document all the work done on your properties for future reference. Another critical aspect of real estate management is tenant screening. Before renting out your property, it's essential to thoroughly vet potential tenants. Conduct background checks, verify their employment and income, and speak to their previous landlords. This will help you find reliable and responsible tenants who will pay their rent on time and take care of your property. Remember, it's better to have a vacant property than deal with problematic tenants. To ensure a smooth rental process, it's advisable to create a detailed lease agreement. This document should clearly outline the terms and conditions of the tenancy, including rent amount, due dates, late payment penalties, pet policies, and maintenance responsibilities. Make sure both parties understand and sign the agreement to eliminate any potential misunderstandings or disputes down the line. When it comes to collecting rent, consider implementing electronic payment systems. Online portals and automatic withdrawals not only make it more convenient for tenants to pay, but they also streamline your rental income management. Additionally, make sure to establish a rent collection system that is consistent and enforce it diligently. Lastly, having a strong network of contractors and service providers is crucial for real estate management. Whether it's for repairs, landscaping, or general maintenance, having reliable and reasonably priced contractors ensures that any issues are addressed promptly. Regularly review their work and communicate expectations clearly to ensure high-quality service. In conclusion, effective real estate management involves regular maintenance, tenant screening, clear lease agreements, efficient rent collection, and a network of reliable contractors. By implementing these strategies, you can maximize the value of your real estate investments and minimize headaches. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.